Good morning, my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself, Ankita, and I am a school teacher and I teach the children with activity in very attractive ways so that they can explore their own knowledge, ability of knowledge from their mind. So, in today's video, I will teach you parts of plants. So, let's start the video. Now, I will teach you parts of plant with very natural things. First of all, I draw the outline of the plant. Then I will color the plant stem and branches with green color. Now what I will do, I will paste, I will put Fevicol on the stem. Now I will paste this natural leaves with stem in the on the tree so that it gives a natural look of tree, and your children also learn the parts of plant through this original and natural stems and leaves. Now what I will do, now I will put Fevicols in the root of the plant. Then I will paste some creepers stem in the roots. Then I will color it so that it will give the color of root. Now I will put some silver in between the leaves and paste the flowers. In between the leaves, I will place the orchid flowers so that children can learn from the nature, not from the books. I think children can learn more from nature, not from the book. So please try to teach children naturally from natural things. The roots of the plant with brown color. Now I will write the parts of plant. This is stem, this is leaf, this is root, and this is flower. So children, from these natural things like leaf, flowers, student can learn the color of leaf also. The color of leaf is green and the root is brown and the stems and branches of the plant is in green color. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe my channel so that I can teach your children in a very attractive way so that they can explore so many things by natural things, natural environment. Thank you very much.